how to check if website is legit or scam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a crucial skill for everyone online, how to tell if a website is legit or scam. So let's dive right in. uh, First thing, you need to check the connection type. So go to any website and then just tap on it and check the connection. So look at the beginning of the website's address. You'll either see HTTP or HTTPS. Websites that start with HTTPS are generally more secure. Uh, and the S stands for secure, meaning the connection between your browser and the website is encrypted. Most modern browsers will also show a padlock symbol next to their name. That means it is secure. It's a positive indicator. This means the website has gone through a security certification. So this is how you check if a website is legit or scam. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.